Hello, welcome to TechShenmith. In this session, we will discuss another method for string concatenation and we will use star BCAT operator. So in our previous session, we learned about the star cat operator and today we will discuss about the star BCAT operator. So I have already created one program. So let's go through that. So I'm opening it in edit mode. So here in this program on line number 11, I have declared one variable named as new string and it is of type character type of length 50. Okay, so this variable we will use for storing the new combined string. Now below to that on line number 15, you have to just simply write chgvar command and then take F4. So once you take F4, you will be reached out to this screen where you have to pass the variable name where you want to store your output, and the first field is optional field label. If you want to give some label to this code, then you can give it here, otherwise you can directly start from this line. So here you have to specify the variable name where you want to receive the output, and then this here we have this is the first string and this is the second string. So now we will discuss what star BCAT operator do. So actually what it do, it trims or it removes the trailing spaces from the first string only. So this is the first string. So first of all it will look for the first string and then it will remove all the blank spaces after or the trailing spaces from the string. Okay, so once it is removed, the string will become like this, space ABC only. Okay, then before concatenating it with the second string, it will add one space to it. So now it will become like this, space ABC space, and whatever the second string, it will combine it as it is. So whether it has spaces on both side or whatever the string is, it will combine it as it is. Okay, so I hope now it is clear. Like firstly it will remove the all the trailing spaces from the first string, then it add a single space to it, and then it combine the same string to the second string. It doesn't change anything in second string, it doesn't change anything for the leading spaces. If there is any leading blank spaces, then it will not affect it. It only focuses on the trailing spaces, so it will remove all the trailing spaces and add one space to it, and then it will combine the same to the second string. So let me type the output here. So what it the new string will contain after executing this line, quote, a single space, then ABC, then it will remove all these spaces and add one single space. So I'm adding it one space, and then it will add as it is second string. So my second string is XYZ. So this will be the output once this line got executed. Okay, so I hope now it is clear to all of you. Now I'm hitting enter. So on line number 18, I'm using snd command to display this on output screen. So let's see what output we are getting. So I'm compiling it again and calling it. So yes, it is giving the correct output. Space, then ABC, it removed all the spaces from the trailing side, and then it add one single space which is there, and then it add the second string as it is. Okay, and as we are discussing that it will not change anything in the second string, it means if there is any space, let's say we have two space here and two space in the end, then it will give the same output. It will not change anything in the second string. So I'm calling it again. So yes, first blank space from the first string ABC, then it add one single space, then these spaces are from the second string, two spaces we have added, and then XYZ, and then other two spaces. So in this way this star BCAT works. Okay, so we have already discussed about the star cat. What star cat operator do, it combine both the string as it is, it doesn't change anything here. But if we talk about